So Arsenal 3, Bournemouth, the new hipster team 0. We're drinking in the hipsters' tears tonight. Cheers. We're not smoking on that pack because my parents are here and they don't smoke. So I now have to go outside to smoke.
You'll be on the naughty step.
Yeah, I'll be on the naughty step. Yeah, 41 minutes because I'm 41. I'm not having it. Smash the likes up. Big up to everyone who locked into the watch along. Penny's at the ground. We're going to do his fan cam after. Jez, then Matty. Emergency meeting because I can. Then we're going to watch El Sapo, the little toad. Xavi crying because if Real Madrid win, they kick off in 5 minutes. And then Barca lose to Girona tonight. The most elite football club in world football are champions again. Who knew? Don Carlo Ancelotti, bruv. Who knew? But anyway, smash these likes up. Make sure you sub to Lee Reacts as well. 134 subs from 98k. Road to 100k is on. But that game, oh my days, that game. It didn't look like we were ever going to score. And then out of nowhere, 29 dives, we get a penalty, 4-minute VAR review, and we get given it. Yeah, I don't want to hear no mutants, yeah, none of you mutanti, yeah, ever speak about VAR again. Ever again. Yeah, because today we got away with that. That was never a penalty in a million years. And I'm consistent with it. However, I'll take it. Now we've got to hope and pray that the Wolves do something today at the Etihad. Highly unlikely. We live in hope. But after that, frustrating second half. We totally dominated that game, if I'm honest, but couldn't finish a wank, if we're honest. Yeah, this is proof. Again, this game is perfect proof as to why we need a striker. Yeah, but again, cometh the hour, cometh the best footballer we have at the football club, Trossardinho, baby. Yeah, with the goal. We see Zinchenko warming up and then he got sat back down real quick. Maybe he's going to fly off to Ukraine and fight in a war or something. I don't know. David Raya today, sus. Yeah, Gabriel Magalhaes, sus. However, he did score one of the best goals ruled out for an offside you'll ever see because that goal was unreal. I can't lie. What a finish. Maybe put him up front. Maybe we can put him up front because he can actually finish. Saliba today, very close to being my man of the match. Declan Rice obviously got it. Totally killed the game off as well. Lovely little pass for Trossard's goal. And then what a goal he scored. Now, he's been brilliant this season. 100 million quid well spent. Nobody's mentioning his price tag ever. Why? Because he's delivering the goods. And today weren't great. It weren't a fantastic performance. However, we don't care. Yeah, it's not about performance at this stage of the season. It's about getting the result. And we got the result. And them lot can F off back down the M25 and M23 and jog back on, licking their wounds. The goal they had disallowed, by the way, can I just say it? The goal they had disallowed. I've had more contact in the bread aisle with Mercadona than David Raya got from Dominic Solanke. Never in a million years that foul. We got away with it today, but we'll take it. We'll absolutely take it. But listen, it is what it is. You just got to get the result. And now we move on to Old Trafford. And fingers crossed, because that lot have been crap all season. And we got lucky against them as well at the Emirates because Garnacho had a goal disallowed for his toenail being offside. And then we scored in stoppage time twice. But listen, just coming back to today, going through the pitch, Tommy Asu, quality. Tommy did well today. He was very good today. Notice how they didn't really go down the left-hand side. They were going down Ben White's side. I thought he was shaky today. And he's probably been our best defender this calendar year. He's been superb. But today, little bit sus, I can't lie. Gabriel Magalhaes, dodgy today, very dodgy. Pass back to the keeper. Yeah, under hit. Keeper did well. Then he tripped over the ball. Slanky's in on goal. Saliba saved him again. Scored the worldie. But again, he's just, even if you look at the goal they had disallowed, what is he doing? He's not even looking at the ball. He's looking at Solanke facing his own goal. The ball's behind him and then he just fell over. Right? Fix up, bro. Yeah, because he's been very good since the World Cup. Yeah, he's been our best defender since that World Cup ended. But today, Bozo Gene set him 100. The goalkeeper, sus today. Yeah, why is he doing Supermans and missing the ball and all that? Nah, come on, calm down. Yeah, I know the pressure's cranking up. And I know most of these, if not all of them, have never won a title. Well, not all of them, but most of them have never won a title. Yeah, but just calmer, just chill. You know, there's no need to lose your heads. Thomas Partey today. Yeah, I thought he was very good. Yeah, however, again, a stupid yellow card for no reason. Why are you fouling him? Yeah, some of his passes were a bit wayward today, but listen, I like that midfield. Declan Rice, Thomas Partey, Martin Odegaard. Martin Odegaard was very close to man of the match for me as well. Yeah, involved in absolutely everything. Start shooting, Io de Puta. Start shooting. What are you doing? Work on your right foot. Yeah, work on your right foot, bruv. Yeah, because you are not, you're so frustrating to watch. This guy's got so much ability. Yeah, but he's so frustrating. Yeah, he's involved in everything. He was buzzing around. He was the best player on the pitch in the first half. Second half, he's floating around a little bit. He's getting stuck in. I still thought up till about 65 minutes, he was probably still our best player. But then after that, it's almost like he ran out of steam. Yeah, and there was chances for him to just do the simple stuff. Take a shot. The amount of times he drops a shoulder and then drops the shoulder back again, it's like, bro, the chance is gone. Yeah, you can't be doing that. When you watch Kevin De Bruyne, he just slaps it. Yeah, just hit it. You don't need the touch. The touch should be the shot. But listen, it didn't matter today. Yeah, we just got to keep winning games and hope City slip. Yeah, we don't let this slip, la. Yeah, they're doing it for Kloppy. Yeah, they're doing it for Kloppy. Yeah, listen, we got to hope and pray Man City drop points. I'm saying it's highly unlikely. You all right? Health and safety? Yeah, she nearly slipped right there. She's doing a Stevie. Yeah, mind that step, mum.
It's always been there.
Yeah, it's been there. But anyway, listen, let's go to the left side. Trossard, my baller, Trossardinho. Yeah, let me tell you something right now, because I know a lot of you get onto me in the chat and that about, where'd you say he's our best player? How many chances did all these other players spank over the bar, high, wide, ugly, all of that stuff? One shot, one goal. One shot, one goal. My baller was dropping a stinker at that point. However, he killed the game. Yeah, this guy is the best finisher we have at the football club. Yeah, this guy is absolutely class. And guess what? He's 4 goals behind Star Boy this season. 4. He barely plays in comparison to him. And that's not a dig at Saka either, because I'm coming to him in a second. But he's 4 goals behind him, and he don't take penalties, and he don't play as many games. Yeah, this guy is absolutely class. On the other side, Bukayo Saka. Listen, he's got, 34 GA this season. Amazing. Well done to him. However, I don't really count assists. Yeah, the Gabriel Jesus assist that he stunk, yeah, after he took a dead first touch. Declan Rice turned water into wine. Yeah, he gets an assist for that. Ain't an assist. Yeah, but anyway, back to Saka. Started lively. Yeah, but again, another one. Work on your right foot. It's all well and good having that left foot shot on lockdown, mate. Cool. Fantastic. Right foot, mate. Because not every chance you get is going to be on your left, and you're getting very predictable. I don't think he was great again today. Yeah, he scored the penalty. Wasn't the best penalty you ever see. He done the keeper with the eyes, slotted it straight down the off centre. Yeah, but he weren't great again today. I don't think there was many players that were great today. But at the end of the day, we're more superior than them. And that showed we took our chance eventually with Trossard after having, 24 shots I think we had in that game. Yeah, Declan Rice, man of the match. Yeah, I was going to give it to Odegaard or Saliba. I was leaning more towards Saliba. But after Declan Rice got that goal, after getting the improvisation, see, that is an assist. That Declan Rice one is an assist, because he see him out the corner of his eye, he spun and flicked it with the outside of his boot. Totally sold the defender. Trossard bang, first time. And that is what I want Odegaard to do in them positions, because Odegaard would have dallied on that, took another touch. Yeah, is what it is. Listen, pressure on Man City now. Do they feel pressure? Probably not. Yeah, they're probably laughing their bollocks off. They caught us from 8 points behind last season. So they're probably sitting there, yeah. But let me tell you, we're not folding. I think we'll beat Man U, and I think we'll slap Everton. We do them every year at home. They're 4-5 every season. Yeah, and they're on the beach now. They're staying up. Yeah, Man United's going to be a tough game. Yeah, and they're not going to play as crap at Old Trafford as they have done all season. So that's not going to be an easy game. But I do think we'll win them both, that one and Everton. But we just got to hope they slip. And they ain't slipping, I don't think. And if he, and listen, I'll say it again for all the cheap seats at the back. If we do not win this league, sack him. 4 years of failure. Name me another big club who claims they're a big club, claims they got world-class players, claims they got a great manager that don't win anything for 4 years. There ain't one. So listen, fingers crossed. We hope, we pray. We will be there if it happens. We will be there if it don't happen. Smash the likes up, Io de Puta. We're drinking in the Bournemouth tears. All them hate-alongs that were going on. Yeah, from all these other platforms, all the hate-alongs. That went well. We march on. And leave your comments down below. Kenny Ken's outside the ground. We're going to do a fan cam with him in a minute. Then Jez, then Matty. And then straight onto an emergency meeting. Then I'm live on Lee Reacts for Girona versus Barcelona. We will be there for El Sapo en la basura. Betty a la mierda hijo de puta. Smash the likes up, El Mutante. Yeah, get these likes up. Adios. Ciao. 2 cup finals to go. Come on. Notice we wore the proper shirt today, yeah? Proper shirt. Bosh. We're out.